P6, range card. Task, prepare a range card for a machine gun. Condition, you are a member of a platoon gun team at a defensive fighting position in a non-CBRN environment. You have a tripod-mounted machine gun with a traversing and elevation T&E mechanism. Grader will then identify the primary sector of fire with recognizable targets, either final protective line, FPL, or principal direction of fire, PDF, in the secondary sector of fire with recognizable targets. Standard, correctly perform all tasks within 20 minutes. Candidate will approach the testing site. Identify the machine gun on tripod, map markers, range card, map, protractor, and compass. Candidate will then begin to complete the marginal information. He'll record the squad, platoon, and company designations. He'll record the relative direction of magnetic north. Record your defensive position as primary, alternate, or supplementary. Record the date and time the range card was prepared. Record the type of machine gun used. Record the incremental distance of the 9 range circles. Candidate will then begin to sketch the primary sector of fire using a PDF. Draw a basic machine gun symbol pointing to the direction of the PDF. Draw 2 solid lines, one for the left limit and one for the right limit. Sketch the primary sector of fire using a FPL. Develop the sketch for the primary sector of fire. Identify all appropriate terrain features within the primary sector of fire.
Do you understand what you must do? I see all 0, 3, 2, 1, go.
Candidate will record gun firing data in appropriate space of the data section. Record target numbers in numerical order in the number block. Record direction deflection data in the appropriate block. All directions deflections must be accurate within 54 mils. Candidate will record elevation data in the appropriate block. Candidate will then sketch the secondary sector of fire. Draw a V using 2 broken lines to represent the left and right limits of the secondary sector of fire. Record the range in meters of each target. Use the grid method. Determine the 8-digit grid coordinate of the gun. Record the coordinate direction below the gun position. Use the reference point method. Orient the firing position to a prominent terrain feature visible on the map, no more than 1,000 meters away. Draw a line between these 2 points with barbed arrows pointed to the gun position. Determine the azimuth from the terrain feature to the gun position. Record azimuth in mils or degrees below barbed line, accurate within 3 degrees or 54 mils. Determine distance from terrain feature to gun position and recording above the barbed line.